Where we end in the last class? OR logic is over now. Logical OR operation is over or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, take next logical XOR. Logical XOR operation. Here XOR logic between destination byte comma source byte. Source byte. The function for this instruction is logical exclusive OR for the byte variable. Logical exclusive OR for byte variables. And with respect to the description, for this instruction, it performs the bitwise logical exclusive OR operation. What we discussed in the last class, it with respect to AND logic and OR logic, this is like same, but the operation is XOR logic we are going to use here. Between the indicated variables, that is source and the destination, and the result will be stored in the destination. Okay, before going to that, we'll have to discuss about this symbol. This is a symbol for XOR operation. In programs we are going to use this, and we'll have a truth table for this XOR operation will be A, B, A XOR of B, and 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Can you tell me this? A XOR of B?
1001.
1001.
No, sir. 0110.
0110. How?
If both the inputs are same, then the output will be 0, sir.
Where they written like that? I want proof. What you told 0, 1, 1, 0. For this, is there any proof? Or else it is blindly you are going to tell. In AND operation.
No,
No proof for this?
yes, sir.
Is there?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me? Not only you, can anyone tell the proof behind this 0110? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ XOR gate of
A XOR B is equal to AB bar plus A bar B, sir.
AB bar plus
A bar B plus AB bar, sir. Single bar.
Single bar. Okay, based on this, we are going to get this output. For example, if you want to achieve this, first what you have to do, you have to take A, B, then A bar, B bar, then A bar into B you have to do, then A into B bar you have to do. Then if you add these two, you will get A XOR of B. For this, we'll have a relation A bar B plus A B bar. This is the operation of XOR. If it is XNOR, whole bar will be going to give. Then the bar will be break here, A bar B whole bar plus A B bar whole bar. Again, if I am going to break this bar, A plus B bar plus A bar plus B. This is the XNOR operation. Okay, for time being we are going to discuss about XOR operation. This is the truth table, and proof for this truth table will be like this. We need to take A bar B, A bar into B and A B bar. Then if I am going to add these two, we will get the output whatever we are going to get here. Okay, this is not like that when both the inputs are same it will be 0, when both the inputs are different it will be 1, not like that. Please make a note of this. Then we'll discuss about the XOR operation. Take first example. XOR logic with A comma Rn. The operation behind this operation, accumulator is stored with, destination will be stored with A XOR operation with a Rn. Rn may be R0 to R7. If I'll go to example XOR logic A comma R3. Before that, if I'm going to write an instruction, move A comma hash 39H and move R3 comma hash 09H. Now we can XOR logic between A and R3. Before execution, we have A is equal to 39H and B is equal to, R3 is equal to 09H. After execution, we need to check for A and R3. R3 will be same. Whatever the XOR operation between these two, that will be stored in the accumulator. Let us check for the operation. A is equal to 39. 39 equivalent of binary 8, 4, 2, 1. 8, 4, 2, 1. This is the equivalent of 39, and R3 is equal to 09. 0 equivalent of binary will be 0. 9 equivalent of binary will be 1001. Now XOR operation between the each bit. 1 XOR with 1, you will get 0. 0 XOR with 0, 0, 0, 0, and 1 0 will get 1, 1 0 will get 1, 0 0 0 0. Then equivalent of binary will be 8 4 2 1. What is the value?
38, sir.
30H. This is your equivalent of 9. 30H, no, this is 3.
Yes, sir, 30H.
Accumulator is equal to 30H will be stored in the accumulator. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, we go to next instruction, that is second instruction. XOR logic with respect to A comma direct. Here the operation with respect to accumulator and accumulator with direct data is, example we can write XOR logic between A comma 30H. I'll write a program, move A comma hash 39H, move 30H comma hash 09H. XOR logic between A comma 30H. Before execution, A is equal to 39H, 30H is equal to 09H. Right for after execution.
A is equal to 38, sir.
A is equal to 38. What about 30H? You have to perform like this for every example. Take next instruction. Next instruction. XOR logic between A comma at RA. Here operation accumulator is stored with XOR operation between accumulator and register RI. Take example. Actually a standard example will be XOR L A comma at R1. We'll go with some program like this. Move A comma dash 39H. I will take similar number. Why? Because no need to cross check the answer. You can take different numbers and you can check. Move R1 comma hash 50H address location. Move 50H comma hash 09. I will take similar number every time 3909. Then XOR L A comma at R1. Right before execution and after execution. Right for both. Write the result. We'll move to next example.
Yes, sir.
Over. Got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Take next example. XOR logic A comma hash data. Hash data. Operation accumulator is stored with accumulator XOR operation with respect to the data. Example XOR logic A comma hash 09H. That is move A comma hash 39H. XOR logic A comma hash 09H. write for before execution and after execution. Take some different numbers and try. Don't take similar numbers. Listen, all of you, maybe in the afternoon you have a meeting with the faculty members of EC department regarding first IA, how to take IA and what are the procedure, what are the steps you want to follow. They will give instructions. Don't miss that. And 19 members, maybe shortage of attendance. They are not allowing to write your IA. I don't know who are those. They are going to display their names. And everyone should log in with respect to PC. Okay, any login issue you can clear by today only. Okay, if you are going to log in mobile, if you are going to forgot the password, once again you have to log in the system. Everyone should be ready with the system. Okay. You have to turn on both audio and video. You have to turn on your mic and you have to turn on your camera. You cannot tell that mic is not working like that. So whatever the problems you have, they will not accept. If you will not turn on your mic, they will be removing from the meeting. Then finally they will not allow to accept your answer scripts also. Invigilators are different. Not mandatory that subject handling teachers are going to take. Maybe they are going to shuffle. Like that they are going to do. Be careful when you are going to write your IA. That is why please check today itself. If you have any login issue, if you are going to inform on Monday morning, I will not be respond. Tomorrow also I will not be respond. By today itself, you should be clear with everything. Any login issue like that. Got everyone? Okay, take next instruction. Next instruction. XOR logic of direct, accumulator. Operation direct in the address you are going to store with direct XOR with an accumulator. Example, this is XOR logic of 50H, A, small program move A, hash 39H, move 50H, hash 09H, XOR logic with 50H, A. Now whatever the data, whatever the output you are going to get, 39 XOR of 9, that data will be stored in 50H. Write the execution part here before execution. after execution. You have to fill these things before execution, after execution. You have to write by observing this program. Okay, take last example. XOR logic, direct, comma, as data. Can you try this? Write the operation, example, and before execution, after execution. Or
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
wrote the example, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Next, make a note. Make a note. XOR logic is used to check. XOR logic is used to check whether whether the two registers have same value, If the value is same, then 0 is placed in accumulator or destination. Okay, this is about your logical operations. Next we'll move to rotate operations. Take down rotate instructions.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Portions ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಸರ್ MC ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಗೆ?
As of today. ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ up to rotate instructions.
So rotate instructions ಇರತ್ತಾ ಸರ್?
ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಓದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೊಂದೇ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Rotate instructions. First one RL space A. The function of this instruction is rotate accumulator left. Side. Okay. Description for this is the right bits in the accumulator. Is rotated 1 bit to the left. Bit 7 is rotated into the bit 0 position. Operation accumulator of an plus 1, an will be moved to an plus 1. With respect to a naught, will be moved towards left to a7. Where n is equal to 0 to 6. Okay. How exactly? For example, before execution, I have a data accumulator is equal to C2H. I need to check for after execution. Now I have accumulator is equal to C2H. My instruction is rotate left an accumulator. I need to rotate left. Okay. What is the equivalent of binary of C2? Binary equivalent of C2.
1100. 0, 0, 1, 0.
Okay, this is the binary equivalent of C2. I will take one data byte slot 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to take the same data, that is 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Now this is my data. I need to rotate left. I need to rotate left. Left means this bit will be coming over front, so that this will be moving here, this will be moving here, and this will be moving here, this will be moving here, this will be moving here, and this will be moving here, and this will be moving here. Before execution, like this. Then after execution, this bit will be coming over a lost. This bit will be coming over a lost, means bit 7 is rotated to bit 0. For example, this is A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7. Why I have taken A? This is accumulator data. That's why I have taken A0 to A7. Bit 7 is rotated to 0th position. This is the 7th position, 7th bit. This will be rotated to here. Means your data left out, you don't take this first. You consider all 6 bits. That will be 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and this one will be moving towards last. Like this, it will be going to move your accumulator. Okay, see here, initially we have 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Now I'm going to move this bit towards right side. I'm going to move this bit towards right side. Here it will be, it will not be, it will be going to shift, so that this one will be coming here, this 0 will be coming here, and this 0 will be coming here, and this 0 will be moving here, and this 0 will be moving here. This 1 will be moving to A2 position, 0 will be moving to A1 position. Whatever there in the A7, that will be moving to first position, that is A0 position. This is the data we are going to get after execution. What is the binary equivalent of this?
85, sir.
84215. 85H. After execution, 85H is the answer. Got everyone? Any doubts? Next, can you try for rotate right accumulator? Rotate right accumulator. Try for rotate right accumulator. Function is rotate accumulator right. Description: the right bit in the accumulator are rotated 1 bit to the right. Bit 0 is rotated into bit 7 position. 0 will be moving to 7th position. In the last case, the 7th bit is rotated to bit 0. Now bit 0 will be moving to opposite direction. opposite direction. From this point to this point, it will be going to rotate. Answer attendance, Abashri. Adarsha. Adish.
Present, sir.
Ajit Kumar. Akanksha.
Present, sir.
Akshita.
Present, sir.
Amutavalli.
Present, sir.
Ananya.
Present, sir.
Anusha.
Present, sir.
Arif. Asha. Ashok. Smaran.
Present, sir.
Basuraj.
Present, sir.
Bharat.
Present, sir.
Srikari.
Present, sir.
Ashrita. Chaitanya. Chaitanya. Satish Naidu.
Present.
Ahalya.
Present, sir.
Chetan.
Present, sir.
Chetan S.
Sir.
Chinmay.
Present, sir.
Jitendra. Dikshit. Deepika.
Present, sir.
Deepti. Danush.
Present, sir.
Danushri. Danush USN 32 ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
Danushri 33 ನಾ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Vignesh.
Present, sir.
Krishna Rohit.
Present, sir.
Manish. Meghana. Girija.
Present, sir.
Guru Kiran. Hamsa.
Present,
Harsha.
sir.
Hrutik. Jason Varghese.
Present, sir.
Javeria.
Present, sir.
Jitesh. Kalyan.
Present, sir.
Venkata Sai Prithvi.
Present, sir.
Kavya,
Present, sir.
Kirtana,
Present, sir.
Kubra,
Present, sir.
Uday Kumar Reddy, Kshiraj,
Present, sir.
Kushala,
Present, sir.
Layana,
Present, sir.
Likit,
Present, sir.
Charan, Sivakrishna,
Present, sir.